Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about aeroponic technology. Aeroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, and it's becoming increasingly popular in commercial and home farming alike. What is aeroponics? Aeroponics is a type of hydroponics, which means it involves growing plants in a nutrient-rich solution instead of soil. However, unlike hydroponics, aeroponics doesn't require any growing medium at all. Instead, the plant roots are suspended in the air and misted with a nutrient-rich solution. How does aeroponics work? Aeroponics systems use a variety of different technologies to mist the plant roots. One common method is to use ultrasonic nozzles, which create a high-frequency vibration that breaks up the nutrient solution into a fine mist. Another method is to use pressure nozzles, which force the nutrient solution through a small opening to create a fine spray. Benefits of aeroponics. There are a number of benefits to using aeroponic technology to grow plants. One of the biggest benefits is that aeroponic systems are very efficient. Because the plant roots are constantly exposed to a nutrient-rich mist, they can absorb nutrients much more quickly and efficiently than plants grown in soil. This means that aeroponic plants can grow up to 50 faster than soil-grown plants. Another benefit of aeroponics is that it's very water efficient. Aeroponic systems use up to 95% less water than traditional soil-based farming methods. This is because the nutrient solution is constantly recycled, and only a small amount of water is lost to evaporation. Aeroponic systems are also very versatile. They can be used to grow a wide variety of plants, including vegetables, fruits, herbs, and flowers. Aeroponic systems can also be used to grow plants in a variety of different environments, including indoor and outdoor spaces. Drawbacks of aeroponics. While aeroponic technology has a number of benefits, there are also a few drawbacks to keep in mind. One drawback is that aeroponic systems can be more expensive to set up and maintain than traditional soil-based farming methods. Another drawback is that aeroponic systems are more susceptible to power outages and other technical problems. Aeroponics has a wide range of applications, including commercial agriculture. Aeroponic systems are becoming increasingly popular in commercial agriculture, especially for growing high-value crops such as lettuce, tomatoes, and strawberries. Aeroponic systems can produce higher yields and higher quality crops than traditional soil-based farming methods. Home gardening. Aeroponic systems can also be used for home gardening. There are a number of small-scale aeroponic systems available that are easy to set up and use in a home or garage setting. Research. Aeroponic systems are also used in research to study plant growth and development. Aeroponic systems provide researchers with a precise and controlled environment in which to grow plants. Space farming. Aeroponic systems are also being considered for use in space farming. Aeroponic systems are very efficient and water efficient, which makes them ideal for growing plants in the confined spaces of a spacecraft or space station. Here are some specific examples of aeroponic applications. NASA is using aeroponics to grow plants for astronauts on the International Space Station. Vertical farms are using aeroponics to grow produce in urban areas where land is scarce. Farmers in arid regions are using aeroponics to grow crops without using a lot of water. Home gardeners are using aeroponics to grow fresh herbs and vegetables year-round. Aeroponics is a versatile technology that can be used to grow a wide variety of plants in a variety of different environments. As aeroponic technology continues to develop, it is likely to become even more popular in the future.